Hello, hi, welcome. My name is Aruna. I am a ex startup founder and operator, and a couple of years ago, I started my own agency helping startup founders and consumer tech companies figure out brand GTM and strategy. I work across primarily India, but also in the health and wellness space in the US, UK, sometimes in the Middle East. Super exciting stuff. Now, this GTM bootcamp that I'm going to share with you over the next couple of videos is a culmination of all the work I've done over the last few years with my clients and my own startups. What started as a way to make sense of how to launch and how to launch really well and continue that whole process of building growth engines led to some structures and systems that I set up. Now, that system has been translated into the GTM canvas that accompanies these workshop. If you don't have it yet, it's linked in the description box below. And this is the process I use with all of my clients. So the way I work is we have a 2-day workshop where we go through this entire process together. It is an intense process. The whole workshop or the boot camp is not actually designed to be easy, by the way, and I'll talk about that in a little bit, but I'm just giving you this overall so you get a sense of what you're getting into. Now, quick background about me. I've built Salad, and you can Google my name up. You'll find a Vogue article, some Vice articles on the work I've done already. So I won't go deep into that. But I have built successful venture backed and bootstrap businesses of my own, both. I've also operated with other startups in the 0 to 1 and 1 to 10 space, and I've also obviously consulted a lot many other startups across GTM, brand, consumer behavior, and gamification. My industries, should you wish to speak to me in more detail, are health and longevity, lifestyle, and consumer. Now, this GTM canvas, I'll take you through it in a bit in the next video, actually, but it is a 7 part uh, process that we use to figure out how it works. It's on Google Sheets, so you actually don't need any other platform for it. And by the end of it, you're going to expect to have your North Star and category and approach defined. What this will help you do is help actually your customers, your distributors, your team really understand why you exist, right? When you're not able to answer this particular question, you're going to end up, trying everything under the sun that gets thrown onto you without any clarity of what you're doing and why you're doing it. I don't want that to happen. I want you to have a very first principles approach to whatever you decide to do to make your company and your product successful. We'll also identify your customers or ideal customers, frictions, triggers, decision influences, and what it'll help you do is give them the right kind of information they need to get them to convert. Our goal with this is going to be a lot of data driven results, right? We want a higher conversion rate across the board. We want lower CACs. We want to increase LTV. The way to do that as we get there is to solve for the first principles before. We'll also map and prioritize your customer segments instead of trying to sell to everyone. We might identify some segments that are your ideal customer profile, but don't make sense right now because your brand might have to earn a lot more trust before they get there. So we'll also identify some early customer profiles and how to make sense of them. We'll also codify some brand signals and assets, but I want you to be mindful about this. If you haven't already started working on the brand, most people get an understanding of brand a little wrong. Sorry. We think that brand means the logo, the font, the color, the packaging, and yes, all of these are visual elements of how you express your brand. But the brand ecosystem is actually much wider. It's also how you show up. It's also what you do and what you don't do. Imagine like the personal brand of a person. It's not just what they wear or the makeup they do. It's who they are at their core, right? How they show up, how they speak, what they speak about, what they don't speak about, how other people talk about them when they're not in the room. So imagine that, and we want to try and solve for that. Then we'll also build a narrative and messaging system. We'll do this across 4 sections for each customer profile. This will solve for the kind of messaging that you use, not just in organic outreach, but also in paid performance outreach. We'll also choose the channels where you can actually win. Now, to be clear, When we talk about GTM, end of the day, we have to get to the channels because that's what you're here for. The reason why there's this 6 step process before that is because we want to get the channels right, and we want to also have everything that we need to make those channels successful. We'll talk about kickstarts, which can't scale but which help you to get started. And we'll also talk about growth engines, which are 4 in total, and what you need to do, when you need to do them, because these are the ones that will keep helping you scale. We'll also design some offers or think about how to design those offers that move users from free to paid. Now, to be clear, it's not that this is only there for SaaS or B2B companies, right? We're not talking about just that. We're also talking about freemium models that might move consumers to paid customers. We're also talking about what energy transaction looks like. In some cases, like an Instagram, for example, it is a consumer tech product, but it's free for you to use, but you are spending time and you're giving it data. And that is the energy, or that is the currency that Instagram works on. If you are a brand, for example, let's say you're an FMCG brand, you're designing a lot of free posts or blog posts or education. How do you make them so that people actually go in and purchase from that? So we'll talk about a couple of those things as well. um, Recapping most important things for you to understand, and I want you to come back to this by the end of the workshop, or once you've done all the videos, to see if you've actually found clarity in all of these. If you haven't, please feel free to go through the workshop again. It's all there for you. Comment your questions in the relevant videos that for each step, and I will answer them. It'll also help us build some collective brain trust. Tell me what you're learning, tell me what you're thinking about, tell me what your concerns and questions are. Very important, some hygiene and best practices. Most founders might think that this is something you can do in 1 or 2 hours, because that's just how long the videos will be in total, I'm guessing, as I go in and record them. That's not the case. When I do this, this is a service I provide to all of my agency clients, right? And when we do this, we block 1 to 2 days just to work on this canvas. It is 8 to 10 hours per day where we just spend as a collect and build a collective brain trust around our GTM. The purpose of this is not to be easy, it is supposed to be deep work. So I want you to take that time out. I understand that not everyone might be able to afford my services also, and I also don't have honestly bandwidth to help everyone that I possibly could, which is why I built out this canvas and now I'm open sourcing it for founders and future founders as well. So give yourself that time. If that means working on this for a day, taking 2 days off and coming back on the third day, so that, or fourth day actually, so that you come back with fresh ideas. Give yourself that time. This is not supposed to be a once and done process. Even for the one product category or one brand launch that you're working on this on, you're supposed to keep coming back to it. So give yourself that time and leverage. What you can also do is that you can use the same canvas and the same process for different product launches, for different brand launches as well. So feel free to keep using it and use it to the best of your capabilities. Like I said earlier, anytime you have any questions, please keep commenting in that relevant video so that I can come back and answer it. The second important thing is that I want you to let go of what you already know. What happens is, we're all always thinking, when especially when we're building, right? And we assume we know understand a lot of things about our customers, our consumers, our distributors, everyone. But that may not always be the case. This is an opportunity for you to really go back and speak to them with a neutral mindset. Go as a blank canvas. And absorb as much as you can. I'll give you a lot of thoughts and ideas on what you really need to do, how to think about things also. So use this to start afresh in terms of how to think. That's the most important thing, really, with this canvas. I want by the end of this, I'll tell you what I want by the end of this. But before that, okay, the GTM process, there's a couple of newsletter articles, all of that, which I can send to you. That's not the important part, and that's not the difficult part. The difficult part is clarifying your first principles. why you think what you think, how to think in the right way. That is what I want you to have by the end of this workshop. Because what that will help you do is, when you have your why clear, anytime you have multiple different ideas of हम ये भी कर सकते हैं, वो भी कर सकते हैं, हमने ये क्यों नहीं किया, ये क्यों नहीं किया, you will have clarity because everything that you do has to align with your why. But जब तक why नहीं होगा तो आप align करोगे किसके साथ? So I want you to have that. That will be the most important part of this entire thing. The next thing is that I need you to put in everything. Do not self edit, especially for the first couple of steps. That is not the time for you to think kya chalega, kya nahi chalega. That is the time for you to brain dump and build a collective brain trust for yourself. And it's extremely important that you actually do that, because otherwise you will lose out on very valuable information and knowledge. There will come a time to edit, to converge your efforts and converge your knowledge into something more actionable. I will tell you when it is the time for that, but do not by yourself self censor, self edit. Go with the process, please. And the final thing is, please trust the process. It is not designed to be quick, it is not designed to be simple, it is not designed to be easy also. I have got to this process after I don't know how many years of continuing to do this. It takes time and effort. It actually takes a lot of deep thinking to get to the right answers. There's a lot of questioning that you have to do. You have to keep questioning what you understand and what you don't. So I do want you to trust the process. It is a long, lengthy process. We will get to the final actionable answers. कि करना क्या है ये बताओ, all of that. But we will spend a lot more time actually in understanding क्यों करना है, किसके लिए करना है, कैसे करना है, all of that. And by the end of it, when you start putting all of these jigsaw pieces that we'll work on together, I am confident that your brain will be blown. So please give yourself that time. I will see you in the next video where we will go across the GTM canvas. Thanks.